welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm the creator of Messy Heart Crazy Life. So I am a Mary Kay independent beauty consultant, and I also do videos here on YouTube about eyelash, at-home eyelash extensions, cosmetic procedures, pretty much anything and everything. So today's video, I'm really excited because I'm gonna go through all of Mary Kay's eye creams, kind of tell you what the difference is, prices, what I would recommend, what I currently use, all that jazz. So I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first one that I wanna share with you guys is the TimeWise Firming Eye Cream. So I have used this. This is one of the, I don't wanna say the first products because way back when I was like, I think I was 17, my friend became an independent beauty consultant. She had turned 18. I could not be an independent beauty consultant because I was not 18 yet, but I remember going to all the Mary Kay meetings and learning about the skincare and all that stuff, and was absolutely fell in love with just skincare and makeup in general. And that's really kind of when my journey started. But so that was long ago, but about a couple years ago, I reached out to a local Mary Kay consultant here and asked about the firming eye cream, and she gave me a couple samples and I fell absolutely in love with it. So this is what it looks like. It does come in, it's 0.5 ounces and it retails for $32, which, you know, for those, some people are like, okay, well that's expensive. Skincare is expensive. You know, there are very few affordable brands out there that actually work. And for me, I would much rather spend a little bit more on skincare and less on makeup, because I feel like skincare is the foundation. If you are not the foundation, but it's the foundation of good skin. It's the foundation, it's everything that you need. And I would rather wear less makeup and have better skin than wear more makeup and chintz out on my skincare. That is just me. This little bad boy retails for $32, and it has this cute little pump mechanism. So you're able to kind of get out. Oh, this one's a brand new one. Apparently I grabbed the wrong one. So you're able to get out just a little bit, or you could do a full pump. So I really like that. A lot of times with some of the pumping mechanisms, it's like one and done, like you get the amount whether you like it or not. So say you wanted to take this full thing, but you just want a little dollop just to go into the inner corner of your eye or whatever, you can really customize it with this pump. So you don't waste any product, because it isn't a affordable product. You know, you don't want to just waste the product. So really like that. So basically what this does is it improves firmness, it brightens and provides intense moisturization. So especially as we age, we start losing hydration, especially under our eyes. It's the thinnest part of the skin on our face. And we start getting those fine line wrinkles, we start getting those dark eye circles, the dullness, all that stuff. So this will go in, it will firm up the area, it will help to brighten that area, and it will increase the moisture, thus giving you more of illumination under your eyes. So it does reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So it's a combined power of a collagen enhancing peptide duo that restores the supporting structure to revitalize cells for a firmer look. So that's what it claims to do. It is ophthalmologist tested, it's suitable for all skin types, it's hypoallergenic, and it's suitable for contact lens wearers. So like I said, I have used this product for going on a couple years, and I do go kind of flow in and out. To me, it's really hard to stay with a product because there's so many different, it's like Toys R Us, when Toys R Us used to be, you know, I was a kid, the generation of Toys R Us, when you go in there and it's just like sensory overload. That's what I feel like skincare and makeup is nowadays. Like when I go into Sephora, I'm like, ooh, it's just so much. But this is something that I've come back to over and over again. And you can just see it is kind of got that thicker texture. And what I use this one for, and I'm high maintenance because I do really like this stuff, and it is stuff that I use, but I will use this at night. So this is my nighttime eye cream, just because it is a little bit on the thicker side. You can definitely do it in the morning, but I find that sometimes it just, I don't want to say it contradicts the concealer, but sometimes it kind of smears off the concealer because it doesn't dry as quick as some of the other eye creams, and I'll show you in a second what I use in the morning. But this one is just a perfect nighttime one because it is a little bit on the thicker side. It does take a little bit longer to dry into your skin, but it just really, really feels great on your skin, helps with that moisturization, and you will notice the difference between the firminess and the fine lines. And especially as I'm getting closer to 40, I'm kind of noticing everything all at once, and I'm like, please give me everything. But this has been my go-to, and I really, really like it. So like I said, it retails for $32. Okay, so the next one is the TimeWise Age Minimized 3D Eye Cream. So this is the one that I use in the morning, just because it's a little bit lighter texture and I feel like it just goes better with my makeup and my under eye concealer and everything. So this one does not have the pump mechanism, but because it's in a tube, you can literally squeeze out how much you want. So like I said, this one is not as thick as the other one. It has a little bit more of a watery texture, and that's where I find it just works better in the daytime for me, and it just is better to put under the concealer and everything. So this comes in 0.5 ounces, similar to the other one, but this retails for $36. And what it's supposed to do is help improve multiple signs of aging and fatigue, including the appearance of dark eye circles, under eye puffiness, and fine line wrinkles. So the other one really just kind of firmed, brightened, and help with the fine lines and wrinkles and help with moisturization. This one is kind of a little bit more jam-packed. And honestly and truly, I find like both of these together have really helped my under eye area, especially since I got my under eye filler. I just feel like it's really helped with that added hydration, and I've noticed an improvement in the overall firmness of my under eyes. Now, in full disclosure, I still have dark eye circles. This is not going to be, it's not magic. It's not going to take everything away. My dark eye circles I've had since I was 6 years old. I have really bad allergies. Unfortunately, I'm just cursed with those. So this is not going to, this isn't a magic cure where all of a sudden your dark eye circles are going to go away. But I do notice when I use this, have used this consistently, which I have, I think for the past 2 months, I've noticed a diminished look in my dark eye circles. They have gotten improved. Not only that, I've noticed that my concealer is not sticking into my fine lines and wrinkles as much as they were. So I really do feel like this product has worked in combination with this one. Like I feel like this one really does a good job of firming, but I think this one overall helps with the diminish of the dark eye circles as well as the fine lines and wrinkles. To me, this is a powerhouse. I just like this one better at night because it's thicker. I feel like nighttime is that time to put those thicker products on, whereas this, you can definitely get, do this morning and night, that's fine. But I just feel like this one is perfect for the AM because it's a little bit less thick and it doesn't, I can put my makeup on and it doesn't smear my makeup off or anything like that. So similar to the other one, it's ophthalmologist tested, it's safe for sensitive skin, and it's also suitable for contact lens wear. So definitely a good one all around, something that if you were kind of like deciding which one to go in, between the two, I would definitely recommend this one just because it is something that you can wear with your makeup and it is still great at night. This one's just a little bit thicker. So if you're like, I don't know which one I want and I'm not high maintenance like you and I don't need both of them, then definitely this one would be the way to go. So like I said, it retails for $36. If you wanted to combine it into a set, you would definitely get a deal. So we have two different sets here. So this is the TimeWise Miracle 3D set. This is the normal to dry, and then we have combination to oily. So what you get into this set, and it retails for $110, you get the cleanser, the TimeWise cleanser, you get the TimeWise day cream, you get the TimeWise night cream, and then you also get the eye cream in here. So for $110, you can choose, like customize your skincare, if you're normal to dry or combination of oily, and get the whole set for $110. So this is definitely the way to go if you're looking to start a new skincare regimen and want something that's anti-aging, that's really going to help prevent signs of aging. This is definitely the way to go. Okay, so the next one is probably the Ferrari or the Lamborghini or the Aston Martin of the Mary Kay eye creams. This is the TimeWise Repair one. So this also comes in 0.5 ounces and it retails for $42. This is the powerhouse. This is all in one. This is more anti-aging. This is like anti-aging on steroids. It will help prevent, but it also will help correct. So what this one, what it says is no advanced skincare regimen is complete without a good eye cream. It's formulated to help reduce the appearance of eye sagging and crepiness and help fade the appearance of dark eye circles. Not only that, the sculpted metal applicator cools and massages your under eye skin to help stimulate microcirculation and help reduce the appearance of puffiness. So if you're like, hey, I got some serious eye circles, I got some serious eye bags, I got some serious stuff going on, this is what is going to help you. So you can see here, and this metal applicator stays cool all the time. Like it literally, when you put it on your skin, it just always stays cool. You don't have to put it in the refrigerator or anything like that. It's just perfect. And especially for the summertime when you get out of the shower, and if you're like me, I love to take super hot showers. When I get out, I'm like, you know, super red and splotchy. And my husband's like, you just burn the first layer of skin off. But this perfectly under your eyes, it just is really, really nice. Now this eye cream is a little bit more oily. So it's not as thick as the firming one. It's not as watery as the TimeWise 3D. It's just kind of in the middle. To me, to be completely honest, I don't prefer this one in the morning. I still like the 3D TimeWise one just because it sinks into your skin a little bit more, but this is like the powerhouse. This is the workhorse. This is like the Cadillac version of the eye creams that Mary Kay offers. So this one contains the Volume Fur Complex that can help skin hold on to the pressure and moisture that we all lose as we age. And not only does it immediately double your skin hydration, but it also keeps your moisture levels significantly elevated even after 12 hours. This is, like I said, the powerhouse of the Mary Kay eye cream. So if you're like, hey, I need some serious help and I'm looking for something that is going to kick my underbag's butt, this is definitely the one for you. And you can just see here, like you can see that my hand is glowing just from that little bit that I put it on there, and I can feel it on my skin. And that's why I'm saying this one's perfect for nighttime. So if you're looking for that heavy duty eye cream, this is perfect for nighttime because it's going to help with that moisture. But to me, the times that I've used in the daytime, I feel like my concealer and my under eye corrector just didn't go on as well, and it just kind of moved around, and I really had to put a lot of powder on it. So that is why this one's perfect for nighttime. But look at that. I mean, my skin is glowing because of the hydration. So the last Mary Kay eye cream is the men's eye cream. Now, I do not have that one in stock, but I will insert a picture probably over here because there's more room. It comes in 0.65 ounces. It retails for $26. And what it does is it immediately hydrates and helps to firm the look of the skin around the eyes of men. And it dramatically minimizes the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. And it does come into this like grayish kind of look. Obviously, I don't know if your husband's like me or your man's like me or your whatever. I don't think my husband would ever put on eye cream that came in a pink tube. Not that he's super crazy about pink or whatever, but just he would be like, well, that's a girl's eye cream. So they do come in the men's version, which is gray. It's a lot more masculine, whatever. So if you are, thinking about getting something for the man in your life and do not want to get him something that's pink, then this definitely is a great option and will, and it's suitable for all skin types. And like the other ones, it's also safe for contact lens wearers. So it's a great option for the man in your life. So that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, gave you a little bit more information about our different eye creams. Let me know if you guys have any questions, leave them down below, email me, check out my website. If you have any questions, just let me know. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.